Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Ford Ranger spare tire. First, locate the access point for your spare tire, which is usually found near the tailgate. Next, gather your essential tools, the jack handle, a lug wrench, and your owner's manual. Always ensure your truck is parked on a flat, stable surface before you begin, prioritizing your safety throughout the process. Now, let's get that spare tire lowered. Take the square end of your jack handle and insert it firmly into the access hole. Begin turning the handle counterclockwise. You'll notice the spare tire slowly descending. Keep turning until the tire is completely on the ground, giving you enough slack to detach it safely from its mounting mechanism. With the tire on the ground, it's time to detach it. Reach under the rear of your Ford Ranger and locate the retaining cable or chain. You'll see a retaining plate or hook in the center of the wheel. Disconnect this plate from the wheel. Once freed, carefully slide the spare tire out from under your truck, making sure it clears any obstacles. Finally, ensure everything is secure. Move the removed spare tire to a safe, clear area, away from traffic or your workspace. If you're replacing a flat tire, secure the flat one in the spare's original mounting location. Always remember to properly stow all your tools, including the jack handle and lug wrench, back in their designated spots for future use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.